Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to be doing absolute value equations. And absolute value is just the distance a number is from 0. And so, excuse me. So, for example, the absolute value of negative 5 is 5 because it's distance, and distance can't be negative. And so that'll help you a lot in understanding today when we're solving absolute value and equations. What we want to do in absolute value equations is once we get the absolute value signs by themselves, we make two equations without the absolute value signs. So right here, I would make two equations, one with 15 and then one with negative 15. So add 9 to both sides. Negative 6 add equals 24. Divide both sides by negative 6. Then we get m is equal to negative 4. So that's our first one. Now we have to solve our second one by adding 9 on both sides. Negative 6m equals negative 6. Divide both sides by negative 6. Then we get m equals 1. So our answer is m equals negative 4 and 1. Alright. And so our next example, let's do 8 minus 4x is equal to negative 25. Right off the bat, you can probably tell what it is because, again, absolute value, which is distance, cannot be negative. And so, since it's a negative, this would be an example of no solution. Because no matter what you plug in, like even if you plug in something to make it negative 25, these absolute value signs would just make it positive. So that's why. For next one, let's do, alright. Alright. Again, write two equations because there's nothing on the outside. And so 1 plus k over negative 5 equals 3. Then 1 plus k over negative 5 equals negative 3. Alright, so first we subtract 1 on both sides. K over negative 5 equals 2, and k over negative 5 equals negative 4. Multiply both sides by negative 5 so you can cancel those out. So we get k equals negative 10, and then k equals 20. Then you could rewrite your answer as k equals negative 10 and 20. Alright. for our next one, gives us something like this. Alright, so because the absolute value signs aren't isolated yet, we're going to have to divide both sides by 9, because that's the coefficient. And then when we get it by ourselves, and then when we isolate it, we get x plus 7 equals 13, and x plus 7 equals negative 13. Subtract 7 on both sides. And then we get x is equal to, let's see, negative 20 and 6. Alright, for our final example, let's do again, we have to isolate it. Multiply both sides by 10. And then we get it isolated. So we can write two equations now. Again, you must isolate it. And then we get r is equal to that should be 30. So it would be 30 and negative 30. And so in the end we would get r is equal to negative 26 and 34. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this video, but more importantly, I hope you understood it. If you have math requests, leave them in the comment section, and thanks for watching. Bye.